Welcome to our channel. Today, I want to invite you to take a moment to relax and join me on a little journey. We're going to explore a beautiful visual image to represent a powerful wisdom nugget. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Let's dive into this nugget together. As you look at the image on your screen, let's walk through it together. We'll explore how different parts of the image represent elements of this wisdom nugget about kindness. Doing this exercise will help you create a strong mental anchor, which gives you the ability to readily recall this wisdom and apply it in your daily life. Let's start by focusing on the entire image. Here we have the tree of kindness. Look at this vibrant, flourishing tree. It's the heart of our visual journey today. Just as this tree grows and provides shelter, let it remind us of our desire to allow kindness to grow within us, offering support and comfort to those around us. Next, let's move our gaze to the birds flying around the tree and perched on its branches. Imagine hearing the relaxing melody of these birds' songs. We'll use the musical vibrations and tones to represent kindness. Just as music vibrations can be experienced, even if the sounds are not heard by the deaf. Let this be a beautiful reminder that acts of kindness go beyond hearing and can be deeply appreciated through our emotions and actions. Now, notice the sun rays shining through the branches. These rays symbolize that kindness is like warmth and optimism of sunlight, which even the blind can experience. Kindness brightens our lives, bringing clarity and warmth, touching hearts without needing to be seen. The background of our image is a serene landscape with soft, rolling hills and a gentle river flowing through. This landscape symbolizes the peaceful and soothing effects of kindness. It suggests that kindness brings tranquility and calmness to our lives and surroundings. At the base of the tree, we see a robust root system. It's strong, healthy, and constantly nurturing the tree. These roots spread out, bringing wellness, stability, and continuous support. Similarly, acts of giving and spreading kindness benefit both the giver and the receiver. Let the root system of the tree be a visual reminder that kindness means you're actively sharing and nurturing both yourself and others. Notice the scattered symbols around the image. Butterflies representing transformation, hearts symbolizing love, and stars representing guidance. These symbols show that kindness, like butterflies, transforms lives, like hearts, expresses love, and like stars, guides us through our life's journey. It's difficult to see the printed words, but there is our wisdom statement encircling the tree trunk. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. What makes this message especially profound is that it reminds us, kindness is not limited by sensory and physical capabilities. Kindness is a unique universal language that everyone is in awe of its power and positive influence it brings to all. Let's take a final moment to absorb this image. Let it remind you that kindness is a universal life force, felt by all. Remember, kindness is a language everyone can understand. It's a language everyone can appreciate. To help embed wisdom, we created a mnemonic visualization that helps you access and use the wisdom message in your life. You can think of the image as a little memory trick, like sticky glue, making it easier for you to recall and apply this wisdom nugget in your daily life. Now let's turn that sticky glue into super glue. And that is, we turn initial memory to super sticky memory by first recognizing, number 1, understanding a nugget of wisdom is one thing. And number 2, embedding the wisdom message deep within your memory so it's always accessible in both your conscious and subconscious mind is another thing. To illustrate the difference between just knowing versus embedding, it's like knowing of a recipe versus being able to cook it from memory. or understanding a map versus being able to navigate without it, or learning a dance step versus performing it naturally. We'll explore a few ways to embed wisdom messages into your subconscious. The goal is to help make these wisdom messages an automatic response to life's challenges. Consider these tips for practicing and strengthening these wisdom messages so they become an automatic habits of thought. Practicing visualization deepens the wisdom message. Try practicing this visualization exercise at least 3 times during the first week. The more you practice, the more the visual symbols will help you deeply understand the wisdom nugget. Before long, when you face a challenge, this image will pop into your mind, guiding you to react wisely. Let's break wisdom practice down into 3 key steps to help you embrace and apply wisdom in your life. Step 1. Visualize the image. Close your eyes and picture each element of the image associated with the wisdom nugget. Step 2. Repeat the wisdom message. Recite the wisdom nugget in your mind as you visualize the image. Step 3. Apply it in life. Whenever you're in a situation that calls for wisdom, recall the appropriate image and the wisdom it represents. Let its message guide your actions and decisions. By practicing this visualization exercise regularly, you'll find it easier to recall and apply this powerful piece of wisdom in your daily life. So, no sense waiting around. Let's get started and embrace putting wisdom into action with courage and determination. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video on embedding wisdom in your life helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback really helps shape future videos. If you enjoyed this topic, be sure to check out related videos for more insights on living a wise and fulfilling life. And stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into something you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and as always, keep growing in wisdom and living your best life. See you next time.